Fidget trading with my dad. They're my fidgets. These are my dad's fidgets. Turtles!
This mini little Xbox controller.
I'll trade you this wacky track snapper.
Decline.
What? Whatever. What will you give me for this strawberry poppet?
I will give you this purple squishy bear.
Ad. You don't know anything about this.
What about this infinity cube?
Ad. That is not an infinity cube.
It looks like one.
It does not.
How about the little fidget midget?
Ad.
That's you're stealing it. You're
No!
stealing everything. All right. What about the worm noodles?
I guess accept.
I feel like I got robbed. I'm gonna trade you my long extendable safety straw.
I'll trade you these 2 ramen noodles.
Add the koosh ball.
This?
Yeah.
No.
Decline.
Will you give me for my dimple digits?
I will give you a bigger dimple digit.
That is not called a dimple digit, but okay.
I will trade you. No, actually, I want to keep that one. I will trade you this ball for your spinny
what?
jiggies.
This?
What do you call those?
A bike chain. Yeah, definitely accept those.
Yeah, wait. Can you add that?
No!
Is it too late?
Yes! Take your stupid thing! Will you give me for the shaggy Nito?
I will give you a smooth Nito.
That is not okay. Accept.
I'll trade you this tentacle arm for...
What? No, I have to add something. You can just pick what you want.
I trade you this tentacle arm.
Okay, I'll give you, these.
Okay. What are these? I'm gonna trade you the strawberry fidget for your golden noodle.
This is legendary, so you have to add.
Would you take a golden doodle?
Yes!